Please like this video and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hello, fellow travelers. This is Travel Towner, and today we are in Europa Park theme park in Germany, where we will be taking a POV trip on the old MacDonald's Tractor Fun ride. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help keep these videos coming. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.